Meet farmer Rob. He's frustrated with his mechanical flow meter that keeps jamming. With moving parts constantly wearing down, he's forced to invest in costly repairs and replacements. And having to pay for a certified meter installer or duly qualified person to perform any works and revalidations can be very costly. As Rob searches for a new meter, he faces a tough decision. With so many options, how can he choose wisely? Mechanical meters have been the standard for many years, but their moving parts lead to inefficiencies and frequent maintenance. Mechanical meters have turbines, paddle wheels and propellers. They rely on moving components that can wear over time, and when grit and debris enter the system, they jam. Ultrasonic meters are another potential choice, but they require particles in fluid to make an accurate reading. When measuring clean water, they simply can't provide reliable data. Not to worry, we have a solution. Electromagnetic flow meters. With no moving parts, they offer a robust, low-maintenance solution. This design not only increases longevity, but significantly reduces the need for repairs. Electromagnetic meters provide exceptional accuracy, measuring flow rates in both directions. They work best in any application, in clean or dirty water. With debris or bacteria, they don't clog, wear or break down. Their durability means less frequent maintenance and replacement costs. Plus, installation is straightforward, requiring minimal straight pipe runs. While mechanical meters may have a lower upfront cost, the long-term savings of electromagnetic meters make them the smarter investment long-term. At Aquamonics, we've been supplying electromagnetic flow meters for over 50 years, helping farmers like Rob best manage their irrigation systems. Make the switch to save money. Discover the benefits of our electromagnetic flow meters today. Find out more. Visit our website at aquamonics.com.au or call us on 1300 797 246.